Human behavior has long been a subject of fascination, often framed through the lens of nature versus nurture. Nature refers to the genetic and biological factors that imbue us with certain predispositions, offering a foundation upon which personality and behavior stand. For example, inherited traits can influence temperament and intelligence, creating a baseline for individual differences. On the other hand, nurture encompasses the environmental variables, including upbringing, culture, and personal experiences that sculpt behavior over time. The interaction between these elements molds who we become, highlighting that while genetics provide a canvas, life's experiences paint in rich colors. Ultimately, the debate between nature and nurture reveals the complexity of human behavior, suggesting an intricate dance where both genetic inheritance and environmental stimuli play vital roles in our psychological and social development.